Inform you that Godrej Agrovet, with a joint collaboration with the Nissan Chemicals of Japan, we are very proud to introduce a new solution to chilies, tomato and vegetable farmer in the brand name called Rashinban. Rashinban in Japan means compass. Compass, you all know, gives the right direction. And this product, we believe, is going to give the right direction to all the farmers and get the maximum benefit. This product can control 3 major pests, which are thrips, mites and leps, and these are the major pests in the chilies crop cultivation. Farmers normally use 2 to 3 products, unscientific tank mix combination, and they try to control this pest because these are all very invasive pests and it can damage to the crop from up to the level of 80% at some stages. By introducing Rashinban, we are actually providing a scientific premix combination to the farmers so that they can benefit and use this product in the right way to get the maximum benefit out of this product. So that's why we say Rashinban is direction and flowering time is for Rashinban.